I think it looks fucking badass.
Well, I can modify the pattern so I delete the nose altogether so it has the swoop wheel to do it. So it keeps this part of the pattern, but then I delete it and sculpt it so it's on. Yeah, exactly. We'll do it all. I'll make this swoop wheel essentially.
What's up, Rhino family? This is Sertac. Welcome to my channel once again. Today we are gonna make some adjustments on the Mach 1. You will see it's gonna be some colorful things here. We're gonna keep the flowing of the current decal and stickers, and it's gonna be a surprising one. I have here Eric with me and Jordan with me, and we are at FULLMOONAUTOWORKS. Let's see the result. What's in your mind
it's
mainly?
interesting playing with body line,
Yeah,
doing an upper half roof wrap. So I mean, I think the best way that this is gonna look balanced, following the bottom line of that quarter window there.
From here?
We're gonna take it around the back of the truck.
Like this?
Yeah.
So we're gonna catch this corner,
That's right.
then go and the same thing. Yeah, this is what I was thinking. But what about the borders? You know, we have some border lines here. What's the plan on the border lines?
So complementing the colors that are already on the car, we're taking a look at the hood graphic as the point graphics, because the Mach 1 comes with this unique feature. So this, we're gonna have to do something about, I think.
Yes.
But regarding this and this, we're gonna take that accent line
To where?
and we're gonna complement everything that's going on top. It's gonna follow on the underside of the window.
So the line is gonna be here. This is gonna be a different color, which we'll see in soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the line comes like this, am I right?
Yeah.
To catch this curve here, then go straight. It's gonna be a weird job, but exciting job. I'm skeptical about it, but it could turn out in a very unique way. We'll see.
I think so.
Jordan, we trust your creativity and illicit creations things and other things like that.
I got you, man. I got you.
So guys, these are the pre-cuts that we wrapped yesterday, so they're going to be a part of the current design. And yeah, we have this color here. We are trying to make a match with my wheels, Incur wheels, and the main reason why I'm doing this, I would like to get rid of these watermarks here. Maybe you can see them. Sometimes they are so visible, like there are hundreds of watermarks here. Yeah, there you go, you can see on this corner. So this was the main idea, to get rid of them.
Making 4 egg omelets, 5 egg omelets. We use this, so we don't have to use this.
Yeah, and you don't have to scratch the paint. So there's a wire inside or something like this?
Exactly. In here there is a string. We're gonna put the vinyl over the whole thing, and then basically we're gonna take the string and snap it, and then it'll go through the vinyl.
And we spoke, keep me high up off the ground, in a haze, in the clouds. We ain't ever coming down, 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 down. We ain't ever coming down, down, down.
There are lots of measurement going on here, gentlemen, because we're gonna have something here, something here, something here. It's gonna follow up to here. Some crazy stuff, but let's see the result. Yes guys, this is where we're gonna end the wrap. So we try to follow this path. Comes from here for the wrap, so it's going like this with some matching stripes and design, just like the Mach 1 originally.
Like islands in the sky. We could stay here, you and I. We ain't ever coming.
Jordan, do you think this area is gonna be risky for some reasons, like the canal here?
So, no, for 2 reasons. First reason is we're going to do it in 2 pieces, just specifically for that. So we're going to do the roof and then we're going to do the A-pillar over top of that. The seams can overlap, and you're not even going to notice it's there, as well as it eliminates the risk of having any failure.
No chance to get peeled
No.
while we're removing it? No,
Oh,
good. Actually, this portion is done and it seems better than I expected. I don't know, what do you think? Just write above the comments. But I think this color flows well with black, white and red with the original theme. And we are almost coming to the end for the roof as well here. So it's also blending not bad with the red and the rest of the car. What do you think? Just write in the comments. Am I right?
The stripe is going to occupy
Here,
this space.
okay,
Yeah.
like this. So I think you should hit this edge.
You want to make it to this corner, so if I just go like this, let's see how I get it. How's
Yeah. So you would like to go like
Wanna
this
bring it
slightly?
down? Yeah.
Might be maybe better. Yes, something like this. Yes, it's.
Something like this.
But now you cannot finish here. Like
We pick our body lines.
yes, like, or it has to be finishing around here. So you need to find another body line here.
There is this one here.
Yeah, if you can match to here, maybe
Yeah, we're
with a bigger curve.
close enough.
And we spoke, keep me high up off the ground, in a haze, in the clouds. We ain't ever coming
Where you want to hit, like
down.
this.
Yeah, like we have to meet the end to here, then go straight. I think like
That's why I think it's best to go straight with this along to here, because that flows best. If we went here, then
And you would like to put white underneath the thin line, or
It's gonna go on top like this.
white is gonna be on top? Instead of going higher to fill the gap like this, so we are going to follow the straight line and we're gonna fill this area with my bronze color. So this top portion is gonna be also bronze, coming all the way from here. So bronze, 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 coming here like this, bronze, and fill this area in bronze as well, and go and turn and finish the job on the other side. So I think we will have something weird, but on the other hand, I think we will have something unique. So that's the point, that things get nasty here. So like, hopefully it's gonna be okay, like this, following it. So this part is gonna be bronze, as I showed you. We'll see. Now we made that piece too. Now it's gonna be the moment of truth. So Quentin, you're the first one that saw this wrap. What do you think?
I think it looks fucking badass. So I like it. It matches really, really well with the wheels. The detail is very good. It definitely pulls the vibe together on the car. I definitely like it more than the carbon fiber myself. I think it's more period correct for a Mach 1, so it gives it a little bit more of like a classy appearance.
Yeah, I mentioned about the carbon fiber idea, guys. So we were going to do carbon fiber to there, but we switch into this. So by switching into this, I think we had a good job, right?
I think so. I think this is the right move, man. I think this is the right move. It's like sharp. It goes well. It flows well. I mean, the wheels, the center caps, the brakes, the color of the car, they all tie together now where I feel like carbon would have just been like out of place.